How to descale a Magic M2 Saeco machine. So on the top right, you go into settings, type in the passcode 1111. Then in the top left, you go into daily actions, cleaning and rinsing, descaling. It will take about 30 minutes. So there's a stopper here. You must insert that onto the tube right here. It just pops on, and then you go to the next step. Okay, remove the filter if you have one. Okay, add 250 mils of descaler. There we go. And then we fill up the tank just to the clean cow text at the very back. You'll see it there. Yeah. So we're all good there. Press OK. Yes. OK. Insert a clean tube into an empty container. That's what I have right here. And then press OK. We take out the solid waste. I've already emptied all this, so what you have to do is empty all the solid waste in the water and you pop it back in. Okay, and we put a container underneath to catch all the water. Okay, so this is going to take about 15 minutes. We will just go through it quickly and get back to it. So now what you do is you just rinse the tank out, give it a good thorough wash. Pop it back on. And then this stopper here must be removed as it's hooked up to the water mains. Okay, that's inserted, all good. Take out the drip tray. Put the drip tray back in, and okay. And now it's going to rinse out with pure water. And after that, the machine will be good to go. Now the descaling is complete. It's recommended to do this once a month, depending on how much coffee you're doing. And if you ever need a descaler, just give us an email and we'll send it out to you. Thank you.